1817. A scientist named Doberina was thinking and then came up with the most incredible scientific discovery ever. Within about 20 years, he created an arrangement of the known elements at that time period. He did this by noticing that some elements in a group of 3, specifically the top and bottom, had an arithmetic mean that was almost equal to that of the middle element. As an example, the mean of lithium and potassium's atomic masses is 23.02, almost the exact same as the atomic mass of sodium. Needless to say though, this table had a few flaws. As an example, several known elements didn't fit into any of the triads, and there are only 5 triads known. So because this periodic table was not very helpful, it was scrapped. A few years later, in 1864, a British chemist named John Newlands arranged the 62 elements that were known at the time by their atomic masses. He then discovered that every 8th element had similar properties, and therefore created the next periodic table called Newland's octaves. However, this periodic table had flaws as well. One incredibly big one being that there was no room for new elements in the table. This table fell apart extremely quickly. Only a few years later though, in 1869, a Russian scientist called Dmitry Mendeleev created the framework for the periodic table of today. There seemed to be a few flaws in the table at first when he created it, since there were gaps in the table for elements that had not yet been discovered. But Mendeleev went on to predict the properties of these elements and ended up getting them pretty close to right, honestly. Over time, his periodic table has been updated, expanded, and refined over the years. In 1959, the discovery of element 101 was given the name of Mendeleevium to commemorate his contributions to the science community. Today, 118 elements are currently known in the periodic table. As for if we'll ever reach the end of it, only time will tell. Thanks for watching.